Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? I hope you are doing wonderful in your life. I welcome you all with my whole heart, and I'm very happy that you have come back. If you like my channel, you can like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And do let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me something. I've already done your main reading and also posted your bonus love messages. Okay, Aquarius, you can go through those videos and have a look because there are so many important messages for you. In this video, I'm going to do a reading for you in which I am going to do your love messages, okay, and messages which are coming from the universe to heal you out. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. I hope it resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out. Okay, so let's see, Aquarius. I'm going to use my mystical wisdom oracle deck. Okay, let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. If you like my video, you can like, share, and subscribe to my channel for getting more videos. Let's see what are the messages I'm getting for you. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world? Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely magical beings all over the world. Let's see what are the messages. Okay. Let me get out your messages, then I will tell you out. First card is sensuality, express your sensuality, and second is knowledge, seek your knowledge. Third is unicorn, invite serendipity. Then fourth is Archangel Raphael. This is the provider of healing for mind, body, and spirit. Then there is competition, summon courage, and self-confidence. Next card, last message is intuition. Trust your intuitions, Aquarius. Very important message I'm getting in every single deck for you today. Okay, Aquarius, these readings are timeless. Okay, Aquarius, so you can apply according to your situation, but this is very important message which I am getting from every single deck I am doing reading for you today. So yeah, trust your intuitions. Okay, let me see, it's not clear. Okay, intuition, trust your intuition. Competition, summon courage, and self-confidence. Okay, Aquarius, this is the message. And provider of healing for mind, body, and spirit, Archangel Raphael is there to heal you out, to heal your mind, body, and spirit. Okay, then there is knowledge, seek knowledge in the book. Okay, you will get your answers from your book. You need to get more knowledge. Maybe you have to learn something from the book. Okay, some of you may be reading right now, studying right now. Sensuality, express your sensuality. Wow, so colorful it is, right? So let the people know that what you love. Express yourself, Aquarius. Unicorn, invite serendipity. Very important message. Unicorn spirit is with you. Wonderful messages. Wow. Let's see what else I can tell you. So in this video I'm going to tell you all healing mantras or all healing cards which will help you out in some manner to heal you out. Okay, Aquarius, so yeah, this is your life purpose cards. Let's see what your life purpose is. Life purpose oracle card deck. Let's add some life purpose. What is your life purpose, Aquarius? Let me see. Wonderful, beautiful cards. Let's see What is your life purpose? What are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? Oh, 1 minute. So many cards have fallen out. So yeah, these two cards were fallen out. 1 minute. Okay. So yeah, these two cards were fallen out. So I'm not going to take it, but I am going to tell you. One is speaker. Your life purpose involves speaking. Some of you are speakers. Like your life purpose involves your skill of oration. Okay, that's your life purpose, and you are on the right path. Keep doing what you are doing because it's working, Aquarius. You are on the right path. I'm going to take it. Okay, let's see what else I can tell you out. You are on the right path, Aquarius, and your life purpose involves speaking. Some of you are the speakers or will be speaking things. Okay, you are the very good communicators, Aquarius. Okay, so let's see any other life purpose for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world. Okay, so that your life purpose involves books. You connect your life purpose through your involvement with books, Aquarius. Books are very important in your life purpose. So your life purpose, you connect to your life purpose through your books. So books are important in your life purpose journey, Aquarius. Author is the next card. You have a book inside of you that wishes to be expressed. Make the time to write it. Either some of you are author, or if you are not author, your life purpose is calling you for writing a book. Wow, wonderful, Aquarius. You have a story inside of you which you need to express, which you want to write a book. So write a book if you want to write a book, Aquarius. Your life is your life purpose involves a book inside of you. Okay, next is environmentalist. You are an earth angel who has born to protect, nurture and teach about nature and animals, Aquarius. Some of you are already protecting nature, loving nature, protecting nature and animals. So you are born to protect them. Okay, you are an earth angel. Wow, Aquarius, beautiful life purpose. Wow. Excuse me. Body work. Your life purpose involves body work such as massage therapy, energy healing, physical therapy or exercise training. Yeah, Aquarius, that I can tell you out, very important message. If some of you are maybe a massage therapy, 0303 was a reading time. Okay, you can be in a spa, okay, where you can give massages, and because you are born as healers. Aquarius has a capacity to heal others, Aquarius. You have that energy inside of you to heal other people. Okay, so you can start a career in this too. You can heal, you can have a physical therapy, or in a career in which you can choose career in physical therapy or exercise training or energy healing, body work. So you are the healers of, okay, Aquarius, my beautiful lovely Aquarius. So these are your life purpose. Wow, wonderful, Aquarius. Any other message you want me to deliver to my beautiful lovely Aquarius? So many cards just fall out. Okay, let me see. See, next is also energy healing. I'm telling you, your life purpose is involved around energy healing or healers, because you are born with lots of healing energy, Aquarius. You can heal animals, you can heal nature, you can heal persons. Okay, you can heal them out. Your natural energy healing abilities are an important part of your life purpose, Aquarius. Very important message. Energy healer. Some of you are already be an energy healer. Justice. Your career brings fairness and protection to others who need your help. is your life purpose? Justice. Okay, so 3 more cards. Travel. Yeah, this was also there before too. So your life purpose involves traveling. Some of you Aquarius travels a lot. 0505 is the recording time. So yeah, Aquarius, some of you already does lots of traveling, but that's the life purpose. Traveling is the life purpose, Aquarius. This is connected to your life purpose. Okay, your life purpose involves traveling. Very important. Even I travel a lot, Aquarius. I had traveled a lot. So yeah, I can tell you how traveling is a part of your life purpose. Okay, oracle card. Wow. Some of you can be read out a tarot card. You can be a tarot reader too, Aquarius. Okay, that is an important message. That's your life purpose card. You are able to discern answers and guidance for yourself and others. You can start your career in this too. This is your life purpose. Oracle cards. And the last message is light and love. Your purpose is to bring divine healing, light and love to this world. Wow. My magical, beautiful, wonderful Aquarius, I love you all. You are here on this earth, on this planet, to bring light and love to this world. Okay, your purpose is to bring divine healing and light to the world. So very important messages for you, Aquarius. These are your life purposes. You can choose according to your situation, but you can be a speaker that involves your life purpose, Aquarius. Maybe you can you can teach people, you can heal people out in many ways. Okay, books are important for you, travel is important for you. You can be an energy healer, you can be a tarot reader. Okay, and you are here on earth. Your purpose is to bring divine healing, light and love to this world. Wow. Wow, I can say wow. I love life purpose oracle card messages for you guys. This was also there. Writing. You heal, inspire, teach and entertain with the words you write. Yeah, you have a great capacity to write, Aquarius. Your writing can heal someone else. So you have a gift of healing. Basically, you have energy of healing others. That's what this video is all about. I am already doing this video for healing you all. So these were the messages from the healing mantra deck. Rewiring the nervous system, balancing the brain, overcoming fear, receiving elevation. So yeah, this is your first message, rewiring the nervous system. Aquarius, you have a great capacity. You find strength in surviving traumas. Okay, so this is very healing mantra deck. I'm using it. This is the deck which I am using it. So I'm telling you this, that my Aquarius have a strength. If you have not know this quality, okay, I find strength in surviving my traumas is the message for you, Aquarius. Next message is balancing the brain. I can be and do all at once. You are the multitasker, Aquarius. You are born with multitasking. You can balance your brain. Okay, so this is your next message. Your next message is overcoming fear. I will transcend every loss. Yes, Aquarius, you always give all those, you never give up. Okay, you never give up. You always stand up again and again against whatever life is showing you, whatever people do with you that doesn't bother you. Every time you stand up, okay, and you just throw that thing whatever happened. You don't focus on these things, and if you are focusing on, you need not to focus it. Still, I'm telling you, you always overcome fear. Okay, receiving elevation. I am born of infinite joy. Very important message, Aquarius. Receiving elevation. This is an important message for you. Let's see any other healing mantra for you, my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Any other healing mantra for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Let me know. Any other healing mantra? Any other healing mantra for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? No. So yeah, these four were your messages. You can overcome any fear, Aquarius, that I can assure you. Every loss, every fear you can overcome with, okay? You have a capacity that you can balance your brain. You have this capacity, Aquarius. You can balance your brain. You can rewire your nervous system. You can find strength to fight with traumas, okay? Whatever happened in your life, you have a strength for surviving your traumas, okay? Receiving elevation. You are born of infinite joy, Aquarius, okay? So very important message for you. So let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius from Everyday Miracle deck. Let's see what this deck wants to tell you. Very beautiful messages I'm sensing right now. Let's see what this deck wants to tell you. What miracle, Everyday Miracle wants to tell my lovely Aquarius. In this video, Aquarius, I am telling your strength, okay? I'm telling the things which you don't even know about yourself. I'm telling about yourself. I'm focusing only on you. These are the messages for specifically for you, okay? Not for any other person or any other relationship, okay? This is not your love reading, okay? This is the reading for my Aquarius. What are my Aquarius? I want to every single Aquarius in this world to know what are their magical beings, okay? I want to tell you all your strength. I'm here to tell you out that you are something unique, magic beings, Aquarius. So let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to give the best positive messages to my lovely magical beings all over the world, okay? Help me out to give the best positive messages for my beautiful magical beings to my Aquarius. Help me out to give the best positive message for the, okay, so many messages. I'm not going to take it. Truth will correct all errors in my mind. When a situation has been dedicated wholly to truth, peace is inevitable. Truth will correct all errors in my mind. Today belongs to love, let me not fear. If you know who walk beside you on the way that you have chosen, fear would be impossible. Okay, Aquarius? Very important. Today belongs to love, not me, not fear. Let me not fear. Okay, let me not fear. Okay, I'll take it out. I will take. Okay. My holiness shines bright and clear today. In this world, you can become a spotless mirror in which the holiness of your Creator shines forth from you to all around you. You can reflect heaven here, Aquarius. Wow. I am as God created me. Wow. In you is all of heaven. Every leaf that falls is given life in you. Each bird that ever sang will sing again in you. And every flower that ever bloomed has saved its perfume and its loveliness for you. Wow. Next message is, let me be still and listen to the truth. Sit quietly and close your eyes. The light within you is sufficient. It alone has a power to give the gift of sight to you. Exclude the outer world and let your thoughts fly to the peace within. They know the way. Let me be still and listen to the truth. Nature call, Aquarius. That's what there in your previous reading too. So yeah, let me recognize the problem so it can be solved. A sense of separation from God is only the lack you really need to correct. Okay, Aquarius? Fear is not justified in any form. The Holy Spirit will help you reinterpret everything that you perceive as fearful and teach you that only what is loving is true. These are the messages from Everyday Miracle deck. Thank you so much, Everyday Miracle deck, for giving beautiful lessons, beautiful messages for my beautiful, lovely, magical beings all over the world. Let me see what are the messages from the universe. Okay, note from the universe. Okay, let me see what are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. What are the messages from the universe? Okay, let me see what are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius from the universe. What universe wants to tell you, Aquarius? Let me see. Okay, what are the messages? What are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius which needs to deliver? Help me out to give the best positive messages which needs to deliver to you. And this was before also. They choose you. You might not be readily believe this, Aquarius. It might even spook you a bit. But there are those who choose this very lifetime in large part knowing you would be there. Now that's what we call a reputation. They choose you, Aquarius. You are destined for greatness on the wings of love. Yeah, Aquarius, you are full of love. To clarify, the primary roles of love are not to heal, fix, or mend, not to soothe, cure, or ease, not even to refresh, rejuvenate, or restore. Hardly. The primary roles of love are to yahoo, yee and woohoo. Get your love on. Okay, Aquarius? You are here to, you are destined for greatness on the wings of love. Okay, Aquarius? What are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world? Help me out to deliver the messages which needs to deliver to my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to give the messages which needs to deliver for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world. Any other message which needs to deliver? Any other message which needs to deliver for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? Any other message which needs to deliver? I think there is no more message. That's what I'm feeling right now. But let me see one more time. Any other message for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? No. No. So these two are the messages, Aquarius. They choose you. Whatever someone choose you, Aquarius. They choose you. Okay, so you need not to worry about it, and you are here, you are destined for greatness or on the wings of love. Okay, so very important message for you. Thank you so much, universe, for giving the message on love and connection. Let me see. Let me use this first. Okay, self-care cards. Okay, let me see what are the messages from this deck. Self-care cards. Let me see what are the messages from this deck. What are the messages? What are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius for self-care? Help me out to give the best positive messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to give the self-care message. Okay. Guidance, playfulness, patience, creativity. Let me get all the message first. Then I'll get you know the message. What are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? Retreat. Okay. What are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world? Connection. Beautiful card. Can you see this? Wow. There is a couple. Connect with someone special. A loved one is a gift to treasure. Okay, let me see any other message for you. Then I will let you know all the messages. Independence. Any other message you want me to deliver? Okay. Any other message? Passion. And this was coming again. Listening. While shuffling also, I was getting this. Okay. What are the messages? What are the messages? Any other message for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? Clearing and relaxation. Okay, any other message? Any other message for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? Any other message for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? Any other message for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? Any other message for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius for self-love? Any other message for my beautiful Aquarius? Any other message for my beautiful, lovely 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 Aquarius all over the world? No. Okay. So many messages, Aquarius, I can tell you out. But now I'm going to tell you what are the messages. Okay. So yeah. First message is guidance. Guidance. Let me adjust the camera. Okay. First message is guidance. Ask for guidance. The divine will meet your every need, Aquarius. Ask for guidance. Can you see there is an owl here? Intuition is also indicated in this. You can ask for guidance. Okay, you can ask for guidance from the God, from the divine. Playfulness. Playfulness is the second message. Play with a child. Children are your greatest teachers, Aquarius. So play with your child. Okay. Next is patience. Be patient. Be willing to pass up good for great. Okay. Have patience, Aquarius. Be patient. Be willing to pass up good for great is your next message. Creativity. You are born creators, Aquarius. Express your creativity, Aquarius. Delight in the mystery of your inner muse. Wow. Creativity is your next message. Connection. And I love this card too. Can you see there is a couple over here? There is a couple over here. It's not clear, but okay. Connect with someone special. A loved one is a gift to a treasure, Aquarius. So connection is indicated here. Next is independence. Decide for yourself. Exercise your right to choose. Independence is indicated. Listening is the next message. Listen to your wise self. Let your inner compass direct the course of your life. Listen your inner voice, Aquarius. Retreat is the next message. Take a mini retreat. Listen to the voice of your soul. Okay, is your message. Passion. resurrect a childhood dream. Let your passion take flight. Okay, passion is indicated. Choose your passion, Aquarius. Let your passion take here the flight. Relaxation is the next message. Allow yourself to be lazy. It's okay to do nothing. Sometimes you don't do anything, okay, and it's okay to be lazy, Aquarius. Okay, so allow yourself to be lazy sometimes. Clearing, very important message for you, Aquarius. Clearing, clear the clutter. When in doubt, throw it out. Okay, so clearing is very important. Opportunity, release your ties to the past. When you let go of the old, you make room for the new. Okay, Aquarius, so it's very important message. When you let go of the old, that is death. That this card also means death. Is that was the death card, same meaning. Endings is the beginning. Okay, Aquarius, so yeah, when you let go of the old, you make room for the new. Help, ask for help. Receiving is an act of generosity, so there is no shame in asking help. So these are the messages from the self-care cards, and very important and very beautiful messages for my lovely Aquarius. Wow, I love them, I love them, I love them. Let's see what are the messages. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. What are the messages from Crazy Sexy Love Notes? Okay, so I'm going to use this deck in your soulmate reading. Okay, I'm not going to use right now, in which I am going to use this deck and this deck to tell you what your soulmate is thinking about you. Okay, Aquarius, and in that I'm going to use the Grace cards. Okay, and the Power of Love deck. So these deck I will use in my soulmate reading, which will be there in the next video. Okay, so these were the messages which I deliver you in this video. I hope I help you out to heal you, to let you know your worth, Aquarius. I tried my level best to tell you out whatever I was getting you. You are genuine. Okay, so I'm going to use this deck in next video, in which I am going to do your soulmate reading, Aquarius. What your soulmate is thinking. Okay, what your soulmate is thinking about you, what your soulmate is trying to tell you out, but it's not telling you right now, or maybe some of you will be telling them, but I am here to pass those messages to you. 2020 is the recording time, reading time right now. So yeah, Aquarius, so let me tell you one thing. Let me I will welcome you again in my next in my next video, and I will be very happy to see you there too. And please like and share and subscribe to my channel for more messages. Okay, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything. I hope I help you out in some manner. See you soon, Aquarius. Take care. Okay, bye bye.